Welcome back to part 2 of our photo session with Miia and Melita. In the afternoon, we drove down to the beach to get some perfect sunset light. That is truly one of the most beautiful beaches I've ever seen. Okay, that's good. Here we go. I don't know.
Feel like we're low. Yeah.
Good. Yeah, that was better. That was better. Play.
Oh, you're freezing. Where are you gonna freeze it?
Yeah. Well, no, I might just do slow and then kind of do the landing.
Yeah, but I don't really win. But can you just freeze it? I want to see.
Freeze it.
Yeah, I just want to see where you could freeze it.
Oh, okay. Miia knows what she wants, that's for sure. Like here?
You're flying.
Here it is.
No.
She wasn't happy with that. Go a little closer to the water. But I think the video turned out really good.
To the water.
Oh, you're running into it. Okay. Okay, good.
Go splash into the water.
Oh, then she's okay, here we go.
Splash.
Well, then she's gonna be cold for the wrist. And Mia's oversplits in her jumps are just insane. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Cool. And here we go. Yeah, that was better. That was good. Now we can see that that's what you meant to do. Miia and Melita are actually the same age. Melita is just a little bit on the tall side and Miia a little bit on the short side, I guess. Okay. Nice. Yeah. That was good. Wow. What do you have? Oh, yeah, that's good. Cool. And here we go. Cool. Nice. Yeah, that was better. That was good.
Can I do one more time?
Yeah, sure. Your top foot was a little sickled. So just, yeah. And good. Melita is definitely the spontaneous one. She always has creative ideas. Yeah, that was better. That was much better. Cool.
Yeah.
Good. Here we go. Yes. Nice one, right?
A little bit more forward.
On my last video, someone commented that Miia is so
No.
serious. It's just when she's doing a photo shoot
A little bit
without the
more,
camera, she's just a funny and happy
less.
girl. She just wants to look really good and wants to give her best. That's why she's so focused on making sure every detail looks good. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Alrighty, here we go. Nice. Good? Yes, no? Want to try it again?
Move it.
It just comes down again.
Wait. Look. That's good.
This?
No, back.
This?
Yes.
Yeah?
Or wait, one more. That's not bad.
Oh, you want your arch. That's okay, I see what you mean. Alright. You have something?
Yeah, I know what to do, but I'm not sure if I can do.
Okay, come a little bit out of the water. Okay, that's good. And go. Go. Yes! That was good.
That was nice.
Yeah, it was pretty good. No, that's good.
You couldn't tell.
And then I freeze it just before you fall out, like, like here.
A little bit more? Yeah,
that's
like
good,
here.
that's
Yeah. Do your stag jump.
On mom.
Stag jump?
This one?
Yeah.
I didn't do that too much.
No, it's different spot. You have a different outfit. It's
I'll do it this one. I'll do the training footer.
okay. Okay, here we go. Yes, that was good. Love it. Okay.
I stand in the water a little bit, and then I can't. Would the water catch the water coming up?
Yeah, it will. Yeah, like that. Okay. Wait for the, go a little bit down. And wait for the water to be around your ankles. Okay, here we go. Yes. Yes, that worked. Yeah, that worked. See? I mean, you only see it in the beginning. It doesn't splash all the way up.
Okay, try again.
Sure, sure. No water. Okay. Now it's good.
I think she was hoping to get a bigger splash from the
Yes.
water.
Cool. Awesome.
Miia often had ideas that added a little movement instead of just doing a jump and a pose. And I think that adds to the overall video.
Oh, yeah, we can do that. What do you want to do? Yeah, sounds good. Oh, wow, nice. Yeah, that was interesting.
This is a good example how getting the
That was
right
cool, I
angle
like
and the
it.
slow motion makes her move so much better.
Ding.
That's pretty.
That's very pretty. I love it. Love it. Very cool. Oh, yeah, that's good.
You touched them some.
And go.
Miia actually kicked her head each time she did that move.
Ударила себя по голове.
That's good.
My knees are bent. Like,
No, they're not. Here, look, look, look.
no, they're not bent. Just point your toe there more.
Yes, that was good. Hey, I know her. Cool?
Yeah.
Good. Is this good? Hi.
Hi.
Is this good?
Good.
That is the coach that Miia and Melita are actually training with.
Thanks for coming. You're gonna do your stag jump against the light. That's good. Okay. Yes. Nice. I don't know. We'll see. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Wow. That's good.
I changed directions a few times to get different lighting and also different backgrounds.
Yes. Nice one.
I think my vacuum fit.
I don't know. I think it was good. It was. What do you want to do? Backflip?
And then I'm gonna do like tiny bit different.
Yeah.
Backflip with that little.
Can you do it side to side? Feel this way?
Yeah, but
You got this. Ah. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I messed up a little bit. I missed it.
Can we do one more, please? No, yes you can.
That was your only attempt.
No, we gotta do one other. I could do better. Yes!
Oh my god!
I love it! I love it!
What a cool Miia!
One attempt, you got one.
Well, I'm like idealist, so I need ideas.
Okay.
We could try the ring jump again, but I don't know if it's gonna work.
Yeah, let's try that.
Or should I try the tilt jump thing?
Yeah, shut up, well, whichever.
Okay.
This way, and then we'll do the stop.
So while Miia was changing into a dry outfit, we did a few more with Melita.
No, I haven't seen it yet. I need to see it. I actually like it. Your feet are pointing.
Interesting.
You're smiling. No, it's fine. And go. Yes. Okay, and go. That wasn't bad at all. That was actually pretty good.
I think it was pretty bad.
No, it was pretty good. Turn a little bit to your right. That's good. Okay, that's perfect. Hold on, don't go yet. And go. Yes, that was good. Scoot a little bit that way.
And Mia's back with a new outfit.
And go. Yes, that was good. That was cool. Nice. All right, you want to do that kick with the sun in the behind?
Yeah.
Okay. Show me the kick real quick. Show me the kick real quick. Okay, good.
Yeah, I think Melita really liked those silhouette shots with the sun in the background. She kept going back to that spot.
Bling.
That's really pretty.
Wow, I love that. That's so cool. That is awesome. And go. That was good. That was pretty good. That's cool. I love it.
Perfect.
You're Sandy.
Well, thanks for watching. I hope I see you in the next video.